Welcome to all. I explain how to do shell in a 3D model using AutoCAD. I open AutoCAD. First, you have to set the isometric view, southwest isometric view, you change it. Then, in the 3D model, some box cylinder command is there. You have to select a box command first. Then, somewhere you can start. Select the length option. The box length is I give 50, enter, and width is 60, enter. Height is I give 75 mm, enter. I draw 3 boxes. Another one cylinder base diameter, somewhere click, and in the command bar you got to select base diameters. I give 60, enter, and height is 100, enter. Next, another one shapes. I draw hexagon shapes. Select polygon. In the command bar you have to select number of sides 6, enter. Then select the edge option. You can start now. The edge length is 50, enter. Then it is a hexagonal prism, so you have to add thickness. Go to future command, select extrude command, select the hexagon, enter. Then add the thickness. I give 120 mm height, enter. Okay. I draw 3 shapes. In the 3 shapes, I make it a shell. Go to solid command, select shell option, select shell. Then in the command bar select a 3D solid. I select this, and next it is ask remove the faces. Which surface we need remove, that surface you can select. I select in the top surface, then give enter. How much thickness we need? Shell thickness I give 5, enter, and again double enter. Next in the box I need to shell. Go to select shell, select the box first, then select the surface. This surface I need to remove. Select this surface, enter, and the thickness I give 5, enter, double enter, and escape. Next this cylinder I want to do both side shell, so I change it, rotate this cylinder. Go to 3D rotate, select the cylinder, enter, and this 90 degree you have to rotate. Now select shell, select the cylinder, then it asks remove the faces. Select both side face I need to remove. This surface, and control, select this surface also, both surface, enter. Thickness is 3, enter. Go to isometric view. See here, the cylinder is both side are open. Box is one side, and hexagonal shapes is the top surface only. We made it shell. Okay. I change it color option. Okay. Both side shell need both side the tops and bottom surface you have to select and do the shell. One side means which surface only did, that surface only select and do the